Today's video is what is data analytics research, type, method, technicals. What is data analytics? Data analytics is defined as process to client transmission and modern data discovery useful information for business direction market. The purpose of data analytics is to export useful information for data and tracking discovery basic upon and data analytics. A simple experience of data analytics where we take any description to our day to day life by talking about what happening last time or what the happening closing the particular description that nothing analyzes parts future and making description because is what is great modification past dream of future so think not but data analysts know some technical analysts as business people client analysts it is terms and condition you will learn what is data analytics data analysis tool type of data analysis technical and method data analytics processor what data analytics to grow your business every grow your life something and needed analyze some business is growing take tools big again mistake make planning without reason to mistake very business growing have look future business grow and needed analyze business to data purchase business data analyze rules analyze tools SQL, Java, method, data tools, fund, course, complete, complete processor, multiple data analytes, registration, and cover between data. It also have educational terms and portion is a complete list. Tools use data analytics research, type of data analytics, technical method, the service type of data, technical that is basic of business technology, hours, the major analysis method, text analysis, statistical analysis, Tegwine analysis, provides analysis, text analysis is also referred to data mining method, data analysis discovery with partner, large data step tools using transmission, strategy business discovery, our all expert experimentation, partner strategy analysis, analyze show with happening, data platform dashboard, strategy analysis collection, improvement and mode data analysis and identification analysis, description analysis, information analyze a simple complete data this type of analysis fund dictionary form the same data selection defined explanation designation analyze what did happening finding choose your increase found statistical this analyze useful edification with partner data if new problem await have client simpler new performing practical analyze show what is less happening using simply analyze increase double tank use can easy have direct proper analyze provides incoming all provide analyze demanding which action take accuracy problem discovery most complete program analyze suggestion problem data is description data processor the data processor constraints are following required gating data collection data client data required graphic first all everything we do that work analyze all needed find out purpose ms training analyze data have direction type data analyze went you need increase meaning how to analyze data collection after requirement getting will be clear id thing have meaning and what data remember collection most processor data version successful you must keep long with collection successful data cleaning knock went data collection are not useful increase analyze his should be client data collection quaint duplicate recorded with space arrow data is cleaning your output analyze we will be cross experiment out data analysis once of data collection client processor ready in multiplication data many fund have expert information you needed magic need collection mode data drive contract requirement data inscription data versionation data vary come day for day alive the opening after from creatures graphy other words data show physical so will be easier the numbers bring understanding the process data after use discovery now fact training relationship coming designing fund management information you match light what is discovery testing mode technical and experiment what the business analyze process technical requirement analyze tutorial require analyze technical with experiments complete tutorial 10 best data analyze tool big data 2021 what is boss testing technical experiment right top tool python testing hacking specs java Silman information correction space career suggested tool software testing is career internet testing ebook blog quicks spec ebook extend online extend java online script script html python subscribe my channel for latest mission update thanks for watching